Rashidale.
Rashidale. So. Oh. Okay, Rashid Dalek. So today we will do a little bit revision, okay? Before we move forward. Okay. So we know the base sound, base 3 root sound is ah, ha, re. Then all the other alphabets falls into these 3 category. Okay? Then we came to know what is prefix and suffix. Okay? How to identify it? Prefix is something that goes before the main sound. Okay? For example, here, then, ka, tha, na, then. When I say then, the main sound is tha, and before that is ka. So here ka is prefix, right? Now, suffix is something that goes after the main sound. Okay? So, for example, if I say then, the main sound is tha, and after that is na. So, suffix is here is na. So, it's then. That's how you identify what is prefix and suffix. Okay? That's it. Any question for that? If you have any question for the thing that we just talked, you can ask me now. If something is not clear. Okay? 3 root sound and what is prefix and what is suffix. Okay? That's it. Now we talk about when there is a prefix, the main sound changes, right? The main sound changes to 2 types. One is with the more bass, one is with the higher note. Okay, these 2 types when there is prefix. Okay, for example, here, these 2, if we look at these 2, without prefix, tha, na, then. Tha, na, then. That's it. Then with the prefix, this tha becomes more bass, the, like this. Okay. Then it became ka, tha, na, then. Ka, tha, na, then. That's it. Okay. Now we know when there is a prefix, some letter in the ah category, because ha and ah doesn't change, right? Ah category change. So when there is a prefix, some letter in the ah category change to more bass, right? We have noticed tha just now, right? And we have also ka to ga. when there is prefix. Okay? And when we have pa to ba, like this. Okay? You can see the difference. Pa, ba, ka, ga, tha, da, like this. Okay? When there is a prefix, the sound changes. Okay?
Can you give example when ka becomes k? It normally you say g, and then k, right?
No. Normally it's ka.
Yeah, then becomes g, right?
Yes, then becomes ga, like this. So I will show you one example, okay? That's it. Ka na ken or ka naru ko na kun, like this, okay? Or just say ka.
How do you read that? Ka, naro, and is what?
Yeah, that we can come later. Let's first do this, okay? I will show you how the ka becomes g, okay? Ka na ken. Ka na gen. Ken, gen, gen. Now you see, okay? Now if I just put kiku, ka kiku ki na kin. Ta ka kiku ki na gin. Kin, gin, kin, gin. This. Okay? Now if I put naro, ka naro ko na kun. Okay? Ta ka naro ko na gun. Gun. Okay?
I cannot pronounce that. Can you re-say it slowly? The sound cannot get it. Go again.
Yes, I will describe it a little bit because we will come to that in a little bit. Okay? Sorry. You mean n sound, right? Ka naro ko na kun. That's because naro is ko,
yes,
and na becomes n. So
yes,
o and n mix n.
on,
Just like that. Okay?
on, or
N, like this. If it's like this, O and E mix Ö, like this, right? Ö. Then it's N. There is na here, right? That's like this. Just like that sound. Because O and N mix. N. Okay? That's so that we will come later, okay? We just practice 1-2 times, we are okay. So here, what we are focusing is when there is a prefix, how sound changes, okay, to more bass or higher. So we see ka becomes bolder, right? More bass. So ka never becomes higher. Effect is only, they get to only one effect, okay? Not both effect, okay? So ka always becomes more bass. So pa always becomes more bass. So tha always becomes more bass, just like here. Tha then becomes then, like this. Okay? So we notice pa becomes ba, ka becomes ga, tha becomes the, right? So far, what we have learned. These three becomes more base, right? Mhm. So some are higher when there is a prefix, right? For example, ma, ra, mar. Ha, ma, ra, mar. Like this. Mar, 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 mar. So if we look, ma is one of those who becomes higher when there is a prefix. Okay? Mar, 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 mar. Like this. Okay? So one
Hey.
is, yes?
Sorry, could you say again the change with the pa, only pa? If you can just, how does it change again?
You mean
Pa, the letter pa.
this one? You mean this
Yes.
one? Okay, okay. Pa, b, pa, b. Like this.
Oh, it's the same. It's the same sound. Ba, sorry. Pa become ga.
No,
And ka become ga.
no,
Same.
no.
Sorry.
Pa becomes b.
B, ba.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
If you have any doubt, you can ask, okay? Now we see, some letter becomes more bass, some letter becomes higher pitch, okay? Ma, ra, mar, tha, ma, ra, mar, like this, okay? So, for example, we know this na, right? Na, when there is na, nen, like this. Kha, na, nen, like this. Okay? So like that. Effect. So we see na also becomes higher. Like this. Okay? So now we know when there is a prefix, the sound changes. Okay? Now, in the previous lesson, we also learned about there are some letters on top of the main sound. On top of the main sound. Okay? So but the effect is, the sound change is same as prefix. Okay? For example, tha, sa, tha, tak, da, tha, da, tha, da. That's it. Okay? Sa, tha, ta, da, tha, sa, tha, tak, da. And if I read it quick, we read like this. Sa, tha, tak, da. That's how we read it. Okay? If I slow it down, sa, tha, tak, da. That's it. Okay? Now let's try. Yeah, Anisa Lainda. Let's try this too. Di karere.
So we have ta, sa, ta, tak, da.
That's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay?
That's correct.
That's
okay,
correct.
thank you.
Now you already know how to say it slowly. Now you practice a little bit, you can say it fast also. Okay? Sa, tha, tak, da. Sa, tha, tak, da. Sa, tha, tak, da. That's it. Okay?
Sa, tak, da. Sa, tak, da.
Okay. Now, if it's not sa, if it's la, then Anisala. Can you try again?
Wow.
Did you say me? Sorry.
Yes, yes.
Ah, me again. Okay. So, la. I'll start again, sorry.
Uh-huh.
La, ta, tak, la.
No, same effect.
Okay, sorry, one second. I look at my notes. Oh, yes, I know. La, ta, tak, ga.
That's it. Da.
That's it. Ga. La, ta, tak, ga.
No. The
Da.
main sound is tha, right? So tha becomes more bass. Da. That's it.
Oh, yeah, ga.
No. Da. Da.
Da. Sorry. Yes, I'm gonna say it one more time, if you don't mind. So, la, ta, tak, da.
That's it.
That's it. Good. Perfect. Thank you.
Even though the letter on the top is different, effect is same. Okay.
Tenzin La, is there a rule when this suffix is above or when it's before?
There is no rule like that, but you will get used to it soon. It's not a problem. It's never a problem. Okay. You just learn how to read them. That's all. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. These are never a problem. Okay. Let's try. Yeah. Sonjala. Okay. Yeah. Sonjala. Diloda.
Sa, ta, tak, da.
Ani?
La, ta, tak, da.
That's it. Okay. Yaguloso. Tainda. McGregor lainda. Yeah. Disum lotha.
Sa, tatak, da.
Yaguloso.
La, tatak, da. Ra, no, ra, tatak, da.
That's it. Okay.
Tensenla, can you explain why all the three, even different letterings, even the this thing, the sa and the la and the ra, and it becomes da. All the three become da.
Yes, they all effect are same. Okay.
So why do we have to write differently? Why can't we write single letter on top? Why do you have to separate as sha, la, and then ra?
Because sometimes they are same sound but different spelling with the sa on the top or la on the top. Okay. So just like
Okay.
that.
Okay, perhaps that has to go to the later part. Okay. All
Yeah.
right.
This is for the later part. Okay.
Okay.
Because they are same sound with the different spelling and a different meaning. Okay. Same sound, different meaning, different
Okay.
spelling, like this.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now we know. Right now we focus on the sound changes. Okay. The sound changes to two types, whether there is a prefix or letter on the top. Effect is same. Okay. Tha becomes da, kha becomes ga. Okay. Tha becomes da, pha becomes ba, ma becomes ma, na becomes na. Like this. Okay. That's it. Tainda. Yes, any question? Okay. Tainda or yen hong lainda.
라 가다 가 라 가다 가 라 가다 라 가다 가
말해.
사
상마 찍바르다. 디.
가,
Uh-huh.
라, 가다, 가,
Mm-hmm.
라, 가다, 가,
Mm-hmm.
싸, 가다, 가,
That's it. Ga. That's it. Okay. Good try in the. Alona la in the. Alona la. Alona la. Di karere.
Sa, ka, tak, ga.
That's it. Any di?
I try.
Okay.
Ka,
Uh-huh.
ra, tadak, da,
It's ka, right? Ka. Ra. Khatak.
ra, tadak, ka,
Ga. Ga.
ra, tadak, ga.
Mm-hmm. La. Khatak.
La.
Ga. Mm-hmm.
La, tadak, ga.
Mm-hmm. Sa. Khatak.
Sa, tadak, ga.
That's it. Okay. So, yagulo song. Inda. Ani darala inda. Darala. Darala di karire. Darala yosamade. Ya pemal hamola inda. Pemal hamola. Ale.
Ra, pa, ra, tadak, ra, pa, tadak. Hey.
Ra, patak, ba. Okay. Darala here. Di. Pa.
Pa.
And when there is a letter on the top, it becomes
Ra.
more bass. Ba. Like
Ba.
this. Okay.
Yes.
So, ra, patak, ba.
Ba. Okay. Ra, patak, ba.
That's it. That's how you read it. Okay. For
Yes.
example, here, kha and ra, khata, ga. Like
Ra, patak. Yes. Ra, patak,
ga.
ga.
Okay. That's it. If you hear the main sound is kha, then put little more bass, ga, like this. Okay.
So the next one is le, khada, ga.
That's it. Same. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
That's it. Okay. Yagulab song. Ta inda pemal hamula inda. Pemal hamula di karire. Okay. Pemal hamula yosamare. Yeah, inda nyurmala inda di karire.
Di la patak ba.
Peago ba. Wangmola inda. Wangmola di karire.
Ra patak ba.
Yagulab song. Okay. Josephine la inda. Josephine la di karire.
Ra, ta, tak, da.
Da. Peago. Okay. That's it. Tadi inda. Oh, Jake la inda.
Sa, da, tak, da.
That's it. That's it. Yagulab song. Oh, the Rodrigo la inda. Di karire.
Ga, Ladakh,
Marmare la.
Huh?
Start from
La,
la.
okay. La, Gadak, Ga,
That's it. Ga. Okay. Yagulab song. Yagudu. Chewing domala inda. Chewing domala. D in the.
Sa cha cha cha.
Peago song. Ta in the. Gabriella. D in the.
Ra matak ma.
Peago. See? Now we know ma becomes higher pitch. Ma. Ma to ma. Like this. Okay? That's it. Peago. The D in the. Cilia la in the. Cilia la di karire.
Sa matama.
That's it. Okay. Hola, so the no Tracy la in the Tracy la. Tracy la is some beat la in the beat. BT.
Sa katak ma.
Ma. Oh yeah, I will love
Ma.
Okay. Very good, everybody. Oh yeah. Now we know sound changes when there is on top or prefix. Okay. We did some example practice. Okay. Sometimes there is prefix and they both, but doesn't matter. Effect is same. For example, pa, sa, tha, tak, da, like this. Okay. Or sa, tha, tak, da. It's same. Okay. That's it. Okay. Then we come to know that any main sound with the na suffix makes n sound, right? Any main sound with the suffix la makes l sound, right? Let's practice. Okay. Let's do it here. Yeah. In the Sonjala in the di kharire.
La, na, len.
That's it. La, na, len. That's it. Ta in the Anisa la in the
Ma na men.
That's it. Now, what about this, Anisa la?
Sa ma tak ma. No, I start again. Sa ma tak ma me.
Sa ma tak ma.
Oh, sorry. Right. Sa ma tak ma men. Men.
You read na also, okay? Sa,
yeah.
sa ma tak ma na men. Just like that. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. You know how to say it. You just need to little bit slow down. That's all. Okay? That's it. Okay. In the McGregor la in the di kharire.
Ta na ten.
Di
ka ta na den.
That's it. Fail. That's okay. In the Marcelo la inda. Marcelo la. Di karere.
Falafel.
That's it. That's it. Pero. Okay. Okay. La inda yin hong la inda.
Rapada ba la bell bell
Bell. Bell. That's
bell
okay. Hell. Bell. Hell. Bell. You can see the difference.
pear bell
Okay. That's it. Now. Yeah. In the Rodrigo la in the Dilota.
Okay. Sa madak la sel.
No. First you have to read what is sa matak.
Oh. Sa madak
Ma.
Sa madak ma la mel.
That's
Like
it.
this?
That's it. Okay. Because there is a letter on the top, it became higher, right? Ma. Like this. Okay.
So in a sentence, we really make these jumps like sound mel, like this.
Yes.
Touch.
You have to.
Okay.
Because they are two different sound, two different meaning. Okay. Just like sa, mata, ma, la, mel, 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 mel. Like this. Ma, la, mel. Sa, mata, ma, la, mel, mel, mel. Like this. Okay?
Okay.
That's it. Because we know that when there is a prefix or letter on the top, the sound changes to either more bass or higher pitch, right? So here, ma, it takes the higher pitch effect. Okay? That's it.
Okay.
Inda. Nurmala inda, Nurmala. Yeah. Di karire.
Ra da da ga na den.
That's it. Yeah. Ni di karire.
Ta na ten.
That's it. That's it. Okay. A whole love song. Very good. So you have seen some example when the main sound with the na suffix and main sound with the la suffix. Okay. Now here, main sound with the tha suffix or main sound with the sa suffix, same effect. A sound, like a dengpo. Okay, ma dengpo me, ma tha me, just like that. Pa dengpo pe, pa sa pe. Sounds similar like a dengpo. Okay. Now, main sound with the tha or sa suffix makes a sound. A sound. Okay. For example, la tha le, la sa le, le, same sound. Okay. Here, sa tha tak da tha de, right? If I just put prefix sa tha tak da sa de, that's it. Okay. Sa, tha, ta, da, sa, de. Pa, sa, tha, ta, da, sa, de. That's how you read it. Okay. Now you see.
Sorry, what does the pa change when it's before?
It has no specific change. The tha became already da, so there is no specific more or nothing like that. Okay.
And we will understand later why it's happening.
Yes, yes. Okay. Now here you just learn how to read them when there is letter on the top and when there is prefix and the sound changes. Okay. And when there is na and la suffix, and when there is tha and sa suffix. Okay. That's it. That's important to know right now. Okay. That's it. Okay. Any question? Any question if you are not clear about how sound changes? Okay.
Okay, I actually I still have a little bit of a question about this high-low. For example, now you said like this ma or ma, like a really big jump, right? But would it also be correct if I would say ma, ma, like for low high?
Can you
Or,
say,
for example, now it's like an octave in between, like a ma, ma, right? But if it would be ma, ma, like this, different.
if you can
Wait,
read
wait.
like this, if I pitch down a little bit, I can say like ma, ma, like this. Still you can hear the different. Still you can hear the different, right? Ma.
It's not just the end of the letter that goes up or down. Like I could, for example, say ma or ma. You know what I mean? Then the start the same, but the end different. Ma, ma.
No, no, no. Starting is different. Okay.
Okay.
Starting
Okay.
is not same. From the starting, it's ma. Okay. It's not ma, not like this. From the
Ma.
starting, it's ma. Okay, like this.
Okay.
For example, if I say na, 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 you can see two different starting, different pitch, right? Na, na, like this.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe I didn't understood your question. Sorry.
Yeah, it's just because when I hear people speaking Tibetan, I don't hear that there's such a big difference with the high and the low tones.
Yeah. Because
Necessarily.
they speak fast, and when I speak fast, marpo, marpo, like this, I don't say marpo, like, you speak fast, you hear like this, okay? But you have to know it carefully right now, because it's like this. If I look at the Indian people, I will see them similar. But when Indian people look at the Indian people, they can tell which part of India it is. They can differentiate, right? Just like that. Because you are hearing as a second language learner, you hearing it similar, okay? But it's not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, but we do it a little bit extra extreme now, and later we make it a little bit more smooth, or what?
Yeah.
Like that. Okay.
Yes, you should know the difference now. And I'm doing extreme like this. It's important because our mouth is used to speak our own native language, and muscle movement are according to that. And when you use your native language muscle movement to different language, the pronunciation doesn't come out properly. So to break that circle, you have to exaggerate a little bit. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So that helps better pronunciation. Okay.
Good. Clear.
Yes. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now, before we learned tha, dengpo, the, right? That, the. Now, and we also learned a, tha, kiku, di, the, the, right? Okay. That's it. Okay, let's read this. Rodrigo, you wanna try?
Okay. Ba, sa, datak. Sa, datak.
Da, da.
Da, satak, da.
No, sa, tatak, da.
Sa, datak, da.
Ha,
Plus ta,
de.
de.
De, okay?
De.
De,
Okay.
de.
De.
Da, de. Okay?
De.
De. Because
De.
look here, the main sound is tha, right? Main sound is tha. And when there is a letter on the top, it becomes more bass. The, right?
Yeah, the ha is gone.
Okay?
The ha. Yeah. Da.
Sa, tha, ta, da. And then we talked about any sound with the tha suffix becomes a sound, right?
De.
Then de. That's it. That's how
Okay.
it became de. Okay? Now, Rodrigo, when you go back, you have to, when you watch the video again, first you need to revision about how this R category we learned pa, ka, tha, na, ma, ra. Okay, these when these have a prefix or letter on the top, the sound changes. I describe it. You can practice this again. You need to. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I missed the class. Sorry, I was traveling. I didn't have time to review it yet.
No problem.
But I will.
So that's what you need to do. That's specific. Okay. How the sound changes. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Okay. Okay, now today we write the first sentence. Okay. Let's
Di karere.
That's it. Okay. We know how to read one by one. Now I put them together. Okay. A, tha, kiku, di, di. Ka, ra, dengbo, re, kare. Di, kare. Ra, dengbo, re, tha, re. Di, kare, re. Okay. Di, kare, re. If you remember, I have been saying this from the starting. Di, kare, re. Di, kare, re. Di, kare, re. I said that a lot. Okay. Now this is how you write it.
What's the symbol at the end?
This is a question.
No. The oh, is that the question? Okay, sorry. The line.
Which line? This one?
Yeah, no, at the end, on the right. This one, yeah.
That's good.
Looks like a nail.
It's like when you finish the sentence, we put this line. Okay?
Okay.
That's it.
So it's not like a question mark.
No, that's you finish the sentence, we put this one.
Okay.
Hmm?
What does carry mean?
Di karere means what is this?
That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Di karere. That's it.
How did the first one become D?
Because
Ah,
there is
ah,
a prefix.
Tha, Dengpo,
Dengpo mare kikure. This is kiku.
Kiku. Okay.
Okay. This is Dengpo. You can see Dengpo has.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So this is Kiku. Yeah.
And can I ask,
Yes.
the circles, are they like the different words, or
No, this is one.
do they separate the words?
No, this is one word. Like
Okay.
ma, ama, ka,
Okay.
ra, Dengpo re, kare. So kare specific means what? So this is the
okay.
first question. Okay. That's it. Now you know. Di kare re.
I'm sorry, can I quickly ask something, please? With the second re, why do we need the Dengpo and then the D at the end, which turns it into an A from an A?
That's the spelling of this word.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
That's it.
But Tenzin, it's still re or it's re with the ta in the end as a suffix.
So they both are same sound, a sound, re. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Whether there is no Dengpo, ra, tha, re. Whether there is Dengpo, ra, Dengpo, re, tha, re. That's it. Same.
And ra, dembo, ta, re the same.
Re. Yes.
Not re. Okay.
Re. Okay. Now, this is the first question we learned. Di, kare, re. Okay. Then now, if it's a look, la shabtu look, look, then you can say di look re. Okay. Di look re. Di pizza, di pasta re. Like this. Di mok re. Di mar re. Di paklep re. Di shopping mall re. Di laptop re. Just like.
And why is it pronounced D, the first word, and not de?
Because it's a kiku, okay?
Oh, it's a kiku, sorry, sorry.
No problem. Okay. You can see the difference between kiku and dengpo, okay?
Yeah, you can see the difference only when enlarged, otherwise it looks the same.
Yes.
Sorry, and what last rare means? What last rare, what is it?
So, re is like it's like you are it's like a is in the English right now, okay? Right now, take is at that. This much is okay. If I go deep, it's no use right now. Re is like a is here. Okay? This is like this. That is one. Okay? Okay. Now let's practice a little bit. Lainda. Okay. McGregor Lainda. Di Karere. Di Karere.
Luke.
Can you say the full sentence? Di
Yeah.
Karere.
D.
Luke.
Okay. D. Luke Ray.
That's it. Okay. Kare is the question. Then you just change it into answer. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. D. Luke Ray. That's it. Okay.
D.
Yeah,
Luke
yeah.
Ray.
Rodrigo Lainda. Di Karire.
T. Luke Ray.
That's it. D. Luke Ray. That's it.
T.
Okay.
Luke.
Okay. Yen Hong Lainda. Di Karire.
Di Bu Re.
That's it. Di Bu Re. Okay.
Tenzin, what is the second word? What is second word? I couldn't get it. What's the word? For the bug. This is a bug, right?
Insect. Yes. Insect.
Insect. Yeah. So what is it called?
Bu.
Boo. Okay.
A pa shapku bu. A pa shapku bu. That's
okay. A pa shapku bu. Okay.
Okay, because there is a, it became ba, bu, like that. Okay. Okay. Then the Marcelo Lainda. Di Carrere.
Di Rire.
That's it. That's it. Abulasa. Okay. Lainda. Yeah. Pemal Hamula. Yube. Pemal Hamula Yusamade. Okay. Yeah, Darala in the Tarala. Di Karire.
Cha.
Di Kare Re.
I was reading, I was watching the video today.
Okay.
What is supposed to be? It's supposed to be what? A coin or what?
It's gold. Ser. Gold. Gold. Okay. Ka sa dengbo se ra ser. Okay.
Okay, ser. Okay. Di ser re.
That's it. We finished. That's it.
Ser is gold, huh? Okay.
Ser is gold re. Okay. Let's see. Gabriel in the Di Karire.
Di Mar Re.
That's it. Okay. In the chewing drama in the Di Karire.
Di Pumo Re.
That's it. Yeah, Nurmala in the Di Karire.
Di Pu Re.
That's it. Petila in the Di Karire.
Di Ri Re.
That's it. Okay. Okay. Abulasa. Now we know Di Kare Re. Okay. Okay. Linda. Sonjala, can you read this?
Da Kiku Di
Ha Ra
Ka Ra
Denko.
Ding.
Hare.
Who should answer?
Yeah, you can try. Sonjala.
Ka, Ra, Dengpo,
Re.
Mhm.
Khare. Kha, Ra, Dengpo, Khare. Ra,
Yeah.
Dengpo, Re.
Re,
Khare. We need to read them separately because there is dot in between.
yeah, Kare.
Hmm.
And then Ra, Dengpo,
Re.
Ta,
Re.
Ra, Dengpo,
Re.
Re, Tha, Re. That's it.
Re.
So,
Di, Khare, Re.
Kare, Re.
Khare, Re. Okay? That's it. That's it. Okay. Tainda. Yen Hong La, Di Khare Re.
Di,
Di, Den, Di, Den, Re.
That's it. Di, Den, Re. Now we know what is den. Okay? If you want to write down, note it down. Okay? Kha, Tha, Na, Den. We have this picture. Okay?
What is that?
Carpet.
Carpet is then?
There. Okay? Di, Den, Re. That's it. Okay. Tainda. Nyurmala inda. Di Khare Re. Di.
Di, Den, Re.
That's it. Di, Den, Re. Yeah. Alona la inda. Di Khare Re.
Di, Den, Re.
That's it. Di, Den, Re. Okay. Now here. Okay. One more line da. Di Khare Re. Or The. You can say if it's far away. Tha, Dengpo, The. The Khare Re.
Theta, Re.
That's it. The Da Re. Okay. Tainda. Now here. Okay. Gabriella in the Gabriella. Di Khare Re.
Di, Go, Re.
That's it. Di Go Re. That's it. Okay.
Go.
Go. Head. Okay. Go. Go. Di Go Re. That's it. Evolve song. Lainda. Chewing drama lainda. Di Khare Re.
Di, Lam, Re.
That's it. Or if it's far away, De Khare Re.
De, Ram, Re.
That's it. Okay. Lainda. Patty lainda. Di Khare Re.
Di, Bu, Re.
That's it. Okay. Celia lainda. Di Khare Re.
I don't know the word for leave.
Okay. La Naro Lo Ma Loma. Okay.
Okay. Di Loma Re.
That's it here. Di Loma Re. Okay. Loma. La Naro Lo Ma Loma.
Tenzin, can you expand the screen little bit? Cannot read the words. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay.
What is for the fly? The fly?
It's all insect we say boo, right?
Oh, all insects boo. Okay.
A, pa, shapku, boo. Okay.
And the arrow?
Arrow di da. Ma, tha, a, da.
Oh.
Ma, tha, a, da. Okay.
Ma, tha, ha.
Ah.
Oh, ma, tha, ah.
tha, ah, the.
The.
Okay. Oh yeah. And for the carpet, we have kha, tha, na, then, di,
Then.
then,
Yes.
re.
Then.
Okay. So that's it. So today's lesson's most important is
the page.
okay. So today's most important lesson is how the sound changes when there is a prefix or when there is letter on the top. Okay. And how to read them. Okay. And then we have a first question, khare. Okay. Di khare re. The khare re. Then your answer will be di luk re. Di den re. The phel re. The pizza re. The gunpa re. The pasta re. The mok mok re. The bhaklep re. Di mar re. Di ser re. Di sa re. Di mik re. Di sa re. Di go re. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Thank you very much. Rashidelek.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank
you.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
bye.
much, Tenzin La.
Thank you, Tashitelek.
That's
Thank you.